Hello there, my name is Pratik Mahankar, and today I'm here to show you my project called Pokemon PokeBase. So, using this, uh, you can transform your normal English language question to an SQL query using large language model, and then run it and get the actual answer. So, here I asked, like, what are the abilities of Pikachu? So, it created a query like selecting a specific column called abilities, which is present in my database and where first where the name is Pikachu. So here I've got two specific abilities of Pikachu. It can also take the other question like list all the legendary Pokemon. So it will now use Google Palm 2, Google AI Palm 2, a text Python model to first get the query. So here we got the query where we are selecting the name of Pokemon, name column from Pokemon database, where is legendary is true. So I have a column for is legendary. So it has perfectly chosen that column, and it has also ordered it by name. So these are the legendary Pokemon it has given from the database, and we can also ask like which is the best water type Pokemon. So it has two type columns, type 1, type 2. So it has selected type 1 column in the where clause, and it has used base total to select the max of it. So I don't know about this Pokemon, but it might be a best water type Pokemon out there. So how I built it is I got a database in a CSV format. I used Azure SQL, created a SQL database, and inputted that CSV into it. And then I've used to host it on my website and using a standard Azure virtual machine, standard V1S. So I have to use Microsoft ODBC to connect with my Azure SQL server. So they have a bash script for it to install it. And then I've used Langchain. So this graph represents the project very easily. So first I ask the question. It goes into the LLM. So the LLM I'm using here is Google AI Palm 2 text Python, and then it creates a query by taking in mind the structure of my database, which I've connected it using connection string, and then use LLM to give out the appropriate answer. And then the mod why using Google API AI API is because I won't have to uh, set up a model in my virtual machine. As is a very basic virtual machine, it won't be able to handle or create very that fast. If I would have done it, I've gotten a nice uh, virtual machine and used Llama for it, and then uh, it works pretty good. So in some cases I tried out, it couldn't use all of the column correctly for its benefit or to answer a complex question. So to improve that, I would have used a better prompt. So right now I have directly ingested it into the Langchain. So I would have used a better prompt, or I would have also used few short learning, where I would have provided with queries and questions to store it in the vector database. And if uh, the question provided is similar to one of the examples I provide, it will learn, the LLM will learn from it to create a perfect query. Yeah. So I've also hosted this application on my website. I will provide you the link. And do try it out and share with me on which questions it is failing. So we can also try out a few short learning next time, and let's see how accurate we can get these applications to give out perfect answers. So yeah, do try it out. Thank you.